Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, my name is Modesty Jean, and I just do beauty videos on YouTube. I don't know. So today what we're doing is if you so choose, are gonna hang out with me while I do my makeup. My kids are at school. I feel incredibly weird because I'm kidless right now. And I'm still getting used to that feeling. I can actually film. I don't know, it's so weird. So you guys are hanging out with me so I don't feel so alone while I do my makeup until I figure out in my head actually what I'm gonna do. I think I need to start out by priming my eyes though. I just talked about this eyeshadow base in my last video. I'm just so obsessed with it. It's Luscious Angel Eyes. It's so freaking bomb. Get a little eye shader brush. And I'll go ahead and start applying that. Ooh! So my James Charles palette arrives tomorrow. I'm so excited to try that out. And don't worry, when I film my video, I won't be like sister this, sister that. Because I'm not about that. Did I already tell you guys that in my last video? I don't even know. So I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette in the Bling Boss. This is one that I have not played with yet. So I think I want to try this one out and just see what I can come up with. Purples aren't usually my thing, which is why I haven't really tried this one out. But I do want to test it out. So I'm going to go in with Hush Hush right there. And we're just going to pop that right in the crease. A little more cool toned than I imagined it to be. Like, I knew it's slightly on the cooler side, but I knew it'd be like that cool toned. Like, that's pretty cool. Back into the Sigma Dream palette because I do love it. And I'm gonna take the shade Tacos and Chill. I'm gonna put right over that just to attempt to warm that up a little bit. See, now it's just going too purple. This is not working out, you guys. What is my deal today? Do I just need to change my lip color? Like, I don't want to do that though. I want to use shade Kristen. Ooh, but then again, I like the direction that this is going right now. I know it looks sloppy to you guys, like I have a vision in my eyes, and that's why I'm like, ooh, I like the direction this is going, just because I have all of a sudden a vision. So I have not tried the shimmers from this palette on my eyes, so I'll go ahead and I'll do that. So let's go in with, we'll start out with Milagro. And I'm just gonna put that like on the inner portion. I'm actually gonna go into Bling Boss, I think. Yeah! Alright, I know what I'm doing. Okay, sorry, I just lost myself there for a second. Now I'm back. Okay, so I am going to go in with Sparks right here, which is a purpley red. And that's going to go right here on the outer portion of my eyelid and my crease. And now this is going to be one of those looks you gotta like trust the process. I might seem like I've lost my mind. Maybe I have, but it's gotta be sick. Take a little bit of Bling Bling right here. I'm actually going to take it right on my finger and pop it in between the gold and the reddish purple. Take a little bit of Pizzazz right here, which is a foiled purpley red. Gonna go right there, so it's going to the gold, like the champagne pink, and then to like the pizzazz color, and then a matte. My camera so rudely cut me off. I'm mixing now Sparks and Mystic, these two. And I'm going right here. I'm not gonna go above the crease though with it. Now, don't worry about all this. This is all getting cleaned up. I just want to extend this out as far as I can so I can really just like clean it up to right there. I need like a skin tone. I'm gonna go back into the Dream palette from Sigma into Frenchie and soften that up there. Okay, so we are temporarily taking a break from that. And let's move on to the face. I'm going to be taking the Touche Clot Blur Primer from YSL. I love this primer, you guys. It's so good. This one is a primer, like I can't pinpoint what I love about it, but like when I started using it, all of a sudden my foundation, no matter what one I used, just looked better. I wish I knew what it was, but I have no clue. I just freaking love it. And now I need some foundation. Now I need some foundation. I'm thinking kind of a matte skin today. So I'm going to take the Maybelline 24 Hour. This is in the shade Warm Nude. You guys, this foundation is dope. Have you guys tried the Eco Tools sponge? This thing is like the dopest thing ever. I freaking love it. It's quickly become my favorite sponges over beauty blenders, over my Sigma sponges. I freaking love it, and the price is right. You guys, it's soft, it's bouncy, the edges are perfect for baking and chiseling, and oh my god, setting your concealer under your eye. It is the best sponge ever created. Oh my gosh, I'm loving how this eyeshadow look is turning out, like with the, oh, love this combo. I'm so happy, like I had no idea what I want to do, and I started like messing up because I was like, wait. Get that double chin. Mom has been having a lot of dark circles, so I'm taking the Afterglow Cosmetics. This is in Shortcake. It's really good because it has a peachy tone to it. It's really good for concealing dark circles. So I'm starting out with this before I go in with my actual concealer. I just really wanted to brighten right there. But I don't like using this alone because it has like this glossy finish that I can't stand. Who's that? But I do like how it like really, see how like bright that is right now? Like that's what I love about it. I just hate the glossy finish that it gives. So I never use this by itself, especially when I want matte skin. So I'm going to be taking the NARS Medium Soft Custard Soft Matte Concealer. And then I'm just going to take some of that on a brush just to get it out of here. And we're going to blend it out. I also noticed when I use this underneath of like my regular concealer lasts a little bit longer because there's this like tackiness to the for the Afterglow one. So I don't know, it almost acts as like a primer as well, and my concealer just stays put and doesn't settle in those lines at all. For setting under my eyes, I'm going to be taking my Hourglass Veil translucent powder. I don't like using something super matte under my eyes because your eyes don't produce any oil whatsoever. So I don't want anything that's going to be dry because I have normal skin. So, I mean, if I had oily skin, that's a different story. But because I have normal skin, I feel like I can easily look crepey if I use something mattifying under my eyes. But I do want to use something mattifying on my face. So I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape setting powder. This stuff is so good, you guys. It was one of those things that I thought I hated, but I realized I just wasn't applying it the way I probably should have been. So yeah, now I'm like obsessed with this powder. Like my makeup, it's like glued to my face. Like, I'm okay with the I'm okay with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. Like, it's okay. I'm not saying, like, it's not a bad concealer. I'm just not ride or die for it like everyone else is. Now this powder, on the other hand, has my heart. So like when I combine this with the one from Hourglass, like in like those areas, it's just the most amazing thing ever. All right, we are nice and set. I need to contour and stuff right now. So I'm going to be taking my two go-to face palettes that I've been using and I cannot put down, which are the ones from Sigma. So I'll have a link to them below, as long as I think I am going to upload the video. I just got to figure out how I want to go about doing it because it is so old. So that's where I'm at right now, and I'm just going to take the best brush ever. This is from Makeup Forever. This is the number one, I think 156. I know it's all rubbed off. But yeah, this thing is amazing, and I'm just going to contour with it. I can do blush, contour, and highlight with it. Oh, and by the way, I'm going into the sculpting one first. I'm mixing the shades, faking it, and a throw shade. It gets like my perfect shade when I mix those two. Look how good that is, you guys. And it blends out beautifully. Such a beautiful contour shade, you guys. It's amazing. Y'all need these palettes in your life. They are freaking amazing. I'm just going to take the shade Poppin', which is like a blush topper. I'm going to put it right here, just on the apples of my cheeks. Hello. Which means speaking of blush, going over to the blush palette now. And I'm mixing my two favorite shades from here, which is going to be Corderosa and Tiger Lily right here. I love mixing these two. And I'm just going to dust that on. Oh, so pretty! And then I'm going to be doing two highlighters today. So let me grab my highlighting brush. This is the Jaclyn Hill, the JH09, which is basically M501. She was saying I'm going in with Shine On. This is like my pre-highlighter. Oh, maybe this is the only one I need. I forgot how poppin' this one is. You guys, seriously, you need these palettes in your life. And by the way, this highlighter is in the Sculpt palette. They have, Sigma has some really good sales going on right now, so I'm gonna link these. Oh my lord! I didn't even like set my face yet. Like, you guys see what I see right now? Like, I need to like tone it down. So pretty. There we go. Okay, yeah, so I'm mixing in some Gilded Honey. There we go, that's better. Alright, we need to move back onto the under eye area. So let me go back into my eyeshadow palette. Let me go back into the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss. Dip my flat definer brush in Mystic and Sparks, the two darker shades that I have. Oh wait, do I want to do a different color on the bottom? I don't want to be like all purple. Do I want to be all purple? I don't know. We're just going with it. Whatever I'm vibing, that's what I'm doing right now. It's weird because like I'm not really like a purple and like pinks kind of person, but this is pretty. Like I can vibe with this. I can do that. Well, it's not the one I want to use, but I'm just going to take my Maybelline Gel Liner. And now I've lost, here it is. I want to use my Sigma one because I found it, but now that I want to go use it, now I can't find it. So now I'm going to be taking the Milani Stay Put Matte Liquid Liner. Which to some might look like a really thick line, but with the amount of like lid space I have, it's not that big. Alrighty, so we need to smoke out this lash line because the harsh line right there is bugging the crap out of me. So I'm just going to take Hush Hush from her palette and fluffy, icing a little bit. I need to contour my nose a little bit. My nose is bugging me. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. I do mascara, lashes. I'll be right back, and then we're gonna do lips. Alrighty, big difference, you guys. Alright, for lips, maybe I can still get away with using Kristen because I really want to try it out. So, this is the Kylie Jenner lip kit in the shade Kristen. I've never used one of her lip liners before, so let's see how this goes. Oh wow, that's really creamy. I love how that feels on my lips. Oh my gosh. Alright, now for the liquid lipstick. I will let it shade, you guys. It's so pretty. Like, my lips look photoshopped. They're so smooth. Oh my gosh. I don't understand why people say these are drying. Wow, that's like amazing. It's so good. Like, it's not pink, it's not red, it's not purple. It's like, I don't even know. Alright guys, so that's it for the makeup look that I have created today. And I'm so freaking in love with it. It is not something I would normally do, but I'm living it and I'm loving it, and we're just going to deal with the mom hair. I swear one day I will start doing my hair, but that day is not today. It's not happening today. So yeah, this is it. I will have the products. I forgot to do it last time. I'm not even going to upload this until, or I'm not even going to like have this go live until the products are in the description box. But yeah, I'm gonna have all the products I used listed in the description box, any coupon codes I can find. Just as a summary, I used the Morphe Bling Boss palette, a shade from the two shades from the Dream palette from Sigma, and then I used the Kristen lip kit from Kylie Cosmetics. But I'm so in love with this look, you guys. I'm like obsessed with this look. I should probably go get dressed for the day. I'm still in like my cleaning the house clothing. But I do have to leave to pick up my kids in about 20-ish minutes, so I don't know. Who knows? But I love you guys so much, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, if you just enjoy hanging out with me while I do my makeup, give it a thumbs up so I know to continue doing videos like this. And I just can't say enough how excited I am to have dedicated filming days now. Like, I'm so beyond stoked. So let me know what you guys are doing for Thanksgiving down below. I'm sure we're all going to be spending with family, but are you staying at your house, having family come over? Are you going to family's house? Let me know. We are actually having a Friendsgiving this year because, you know, our family is across the ocean. But yeah, so I love you guys so much. I hope you guys are having a wonderful upcoming holiday season, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! Goodbye.